One thing that a lot of people is yet to realize is that to make $10,000 per month with digital products is now easier than ever before. And with what I'm about to show you right now, you don't have to buy any course. You don't have to spend months trying to learn different kind of skills. And you can use this to make $10,000 per month, even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. So now let me share my screen and show you the system that we are using and how to set it up step by step in just a few minutes. So right now, let's get into it. So as you can see right here, this is the system that we are using, and it is built to help you grow your digital product business to $10,000 to $50,000 per month without doing it the traditional way. So if you are a complete beginner and you want to make money with digital product, let's assume that you don't have your own product and you want to make $10,000 per month with digital product and you don't have any skills and you don't have any experience whatsoever. All you have to do is come to this system and click on offer setup. And once you click on offer setup, what you're going to do is to go and copy your product link. It could be your affiliate link or whatever product that you want to promote. Just go and copy the product links. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to come to Copecard and look for a high ticket offer that I'm going to promote that can earn me anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per sale. So once you find a product that you're going to promote, like this one, I want to promote this offer. What I'm going to do is to just copy the product link and then come to this system right here and paste the product link. The next thing I'm going to do is to copy the name of the high ticket product that I want to promote. Then I'm going to come here and then copy the name of this product and put it right here in this system. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to put the amount of the commission that I'm going to earn if I'm promoting this offer. So let's assume right now that this offer is going to pay me $1,000 per sale. So I'm going to put $1,000 right here. Then coming to the monthly target, that's the amount of money that I want to earn this month with my digital product business or with my affiliate marketing business. So what I'm going to put right here is $10,000. So once you enter your monthly target, the next thing that you're going to do is to choose the niche of this product. For the sake of this offer, it's about digital product and info business. So I'm going to put the niche, and as you can see, the system have calculated everything, how many sales that I need, everything, break everything down, both with organic traffic and with paid advertising. So, but this is not the most important thing. The most exciting thing right here is this thing that we're going to do right now. So after we put everything, the commission, the name of the product, and then our product link, what we're going to do right here is to click on analyze and build everything. And once we click on analyze and build everything, the system will build everything for us. It's going to study the product and tell you the type of people that is going to buy the product, and it's going to build all the messaging, all the scripts, all the content, all the emails, and everything. And not just that, but also the funnels. And this is why even complete beginners, music professionals, and a whole lot of people are using this system to make thousands of dollars on a daily basis. So as you can see, the system have built everything for you. So as you can see, the first thing that is built is the strategy that you can follow to publish the content and everything that you need to make $10,000 per month with your digital product business. And it does this step by step, as you can see right here, what you need to do. Then the second thing that it built is your buyer's profile. These are the people that's going to buy this offer and all the things that they are struggling with, everything. The system have studied the product, studied the keyword that they are searching, studied the whole system, and give you everything you need to start promoting this offer. And also it tells you also the influencers and all the pages that your audience are following and how you can attract them so fast. Then the next thing that the system does is to build you a content system. So as you can see right here, these are the content that you're going to be publishing on social media, and you don't have to create anyone by yourself. As you can see, just click on this Facebook and the post will pop up. We'll just copy it and post it on Facebook. This one is Instagram Reels, and then this one is the second Reel. So the system recommends you to post 2 Reels every single day, and it creates 2 Instagram Reels for you. It recommends you to send at least 1 email every single day, and it creates a high converting email for you, and it created it for complete 7 days a week and 30 days a month. Not just that, but also it gives you the DM scripts and everything, and also it shows you the opportunity that you have in your market. So this is just a whole lot of things right here. So when it comes to the funnel builder, all you have to do is just click on build funnels and then choose a bridge page, because as an affiliate marketer or if you are selling other people's products, all you need is the bridge page, and all you have to do is click on the bridge page and click on generate funnel. The system is going to build a funnel to sell this particular product that you're trying to promote, and it's going to build everything for you in a way that can generate at least $10,000 every single month. So as you can see, the system have built entire funnel for you, and this goal of this funnel is to scale this your digital product to $10,000 per month. So as you can see, it builds everything step by step. It's a very high converting funnel that is built for you right here. You can see the mobile and everything is very clean. And also you can redesign this funnel in any way that you want. You can tell the system to add this, or whatever. You can just kind of like type it right there and then push it right here, and it will do it exactly the way you want. And once you're done with the funnel, the next thing you're going to do is just click on publish. And once you click on publish, all you have to do is to connect your domain name and connect your professional email address. And once you connect the whole thing, just click on go live and publish, and boom, your funnel is ready to start generating leads and sales for you. And these are just the few things I can do with this system. So if you are someone who wants to grow a $10,000 per month digital product business and you don't want to go through all this complicated process that is out there, you have to buy a course, learn how to build funnel, learn how to do email marketing, all those sort of things. Instead, you want to focus on getting results and growing your digital product business. All you have to do is to comment the word system, and I will send you more information on how to use this system to grow your own $10,000 per month digital product business.